Are your old weld fixtures slowing you down? And do you feel like they're not keeping pace with your production demands? It might be time for an upgrade. And who better to upgrade with than Elite Automation? And here's why. At Elite Automation, we design and build cutting-edge weld fixtures that can revolutionize your welding process. Our team of experts will work with you to understand your specific needs and create fixtures that are custom designed, highly efficient, built for durability, and CMM certified. By upgrading to Elite Automation's weld fixtures, you can experience increased production speed and output, reduced labor costs, improved weld quality and consistency, and minimize downtime and rework. So don't settle for outdated fixtures that hold you back. Contact Elite Automation today for a free consultation, and let's discuss how our custom designed weld fixtures can revolutionize your welding process and boost your bottom line.